Oi, getting a massage, baby. Wow. Relax, baby. Putin's getting a massage. Wow. Relax, baby. Relaxing. Oh, look at your tail, oh. Wow. She's enjoying it. Oh, look at the tail. Oh. May muta.
Alright, she's not here, and Google Translate is doing us no favors. So let's check into a hotel.
Look at the Pau Pau. Uy, Pau Pau.
So I don't have to walk around with
Pau
this
Pau
bag.
Putin. Very cute.
This will have pretty good reviews in Google Maps.
Pau Pau. It's Pau Pau. Getting a massage. Out na? Tapos na? Ayaw mo na?
Hello.
Nasa siya sa
Looking for
table.
a room.
Oh, play your tail.
Right, on the 7th floor.
Oh.
Gusto mo paggupitan natin tail mo?
Wow. Wanna go down na? Ayaw mo na?
Okay.
Pau
So
Pau? You wanna go down na, baby?
Okay. So you said
Pau
7th.
Pau.
2nd floor.
She likes it a lot, oh. Getting a massage. Wow. Sleep na yan, oh. Oh, pikit.
Okay. So this is. I smell that.
Ang daming disturbance eh. Naririnig niya kaya yun.
Alright. And a Wi-Fi password, yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Close up.
Alright, and we can throw the bag here. Okay, more free walking around just with that. Ooh,
Look at the tail. It's wagging. Wow.
look at this.
It means she feels comfortable. Wow. Oh, sarap. Massage. Wow. Si mami, ako hindi minamassage. Ikaw minamassage. How about you, Gray? You want a massage as well?
I'm in bed.
Gray? Wanna get a massage, Gray? Only Pau Pau.
You want, mommy always want food, no? Why mommy always like that? Hmm?
Yeah, still
Pau?
have any sustenance, but
Mommy always food. Oh, may makalmat ka na.
Coca-Cola. And we have another Red Bull.
Ganda si Putin pag baby pa siya.
She's a girl.
Yeah,
Look
we're
at
just
the
gonna
tail, oh.
walk around with a headache all day.
Look at the tail.
Wala na yung
Let's
red
not get
dito.
that outside. Once again, become AJ Dog.
Pure white na.
Super cute. Massage mo pa. Yan, ganyan. Ganyan, massage mo.
Didn't know that's how they make straw meat. Pretty cool.
Finish na.
Oh, finish na. Bye-bye. Relax na. Pau Pau.
Okay, stretching pa to ah.
Peter.